Alright, what's going on, guys? John back here with another video. So if you can't tell already, we are in the BMW 335D. So I wanted to kind of go over some things, or basically just talk about really one main thing with these cars. So for those of you guys who don't know, it does have the 6-speed automatic in the 335Ds, but basically any E90, E9X like chassis that has like the same transmission, which I think is like the ZF, they shift extremely slow from factory, from stock. So luckily they came out with some transmission tunes for these things, which is absolutely awesome. And the transmission tuner that I went with was Rod Suffin. Awesome guy, he knows what he's doing, and he can make an awesome trans tune. So I had talked to him probably about maybe 3 or 4 months ago when I put his trans tune on it, and from the very get, it was absolutely amazing. And then he just talked to me literally yesterday saying that there's a revision for it, and of course I had to get it. So I got a revision. So anybody that does have the Suffin tune already for your trans, hit him up, go get that revision. The revision is absolutely insane. There's a gigantic difference between how it was before and now, and the shift speeds are just absolutely crazy. Super noticeable, especially when you're just in regular drive mode, or if you flip it over into the S mode, you can see that it shifts very fast. I'll do like a little poll right here. So if we watch the RPMs here, so yeah, ever since I put it on yesterday, I've been driving around getting some miles on it. Basically, your trans has to like relearn itself and whatnot. So basically kind of take it easy on the first 2 drives. The second drive, you can kind of start going watt, slowly into watt, and then kind of learn it from there. So you do that 2 or 3 times on your second drive, and then your third drive, you can kind of start getting a little bit more aggressive with your transmission or your car, and it'll start learning. So just like a toddler learns its first steps, your car learns its first steps with the transmission tune. Oh, that sounds good. This thing handles like a boat. I mean, a lot of people, I feel like, don't have the transmission tune on their ZF Transes, especially like in the E90s or 335s. Doesn't even need to be a 335i or a D, but I mean, like, that's what mainly a lot of people do, is get trans tunes for their ZF Trans on their cars. So definitely recommend it. Absolutely awesome. And I'm going to show you guys kind of what it can do once I got into a straightaway with no people on a closed course road in Mexico. All right, so also for those of you guys who don't know, what you will need to tune your transmission is just a little MHD tuning OBD2 Bluetooth adapter, I guess you could call it. I don't know. But plugs into your OBD2. You literally just need your phone, whether it be an iPhone, Android, whatever, Samsung, and then you just need the XHP flash tool app, I think it's called. So it's so easy. You just follow the directions right on the screen. Rod sends you all the directions right in the email on how to do it. Literally takes maybe 2 minutes to flash the tune, and then you're all set and ready to go. So it's something super quick. I mean, for the 335i guys, I know you guys use the XHP tuner, because you could just flash tunes right on there with this as well. So you can flash like actual engine tunes. For the 335Ds, they're not abundant on there, like to flash tunes on there for. So a lot of people just get, like JR, Malone, or Castle tune. And then the cool thing about this as well is you could code your BMW. So you can get the app, I think it's called Beamer Code, and you can go ahead and just download that, and then essentially you can make your angel eyes like brighter. You can make it so your blinker goes 5 times if you do it 1 click. Fold in the mirrors when you lock it, roll down all the windows when you unlock it, and then roll back up the windows when you hold down the lock button. So there's a lot of cool other like little features you can get with the Beamer Code app as well. So I'll try and link you guys down the apps down below. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a little poll here. I'm gonna show you guys what it's all about. So as you can see, it shifts pretty dang quick. Look at that shit. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! How does it shift so fast, bro? No, it is not a DCT, but like, sheesh. For this transmission, this is crazy. Like huge differences, I'm telling you. If you don't have a Trans-Tune by Rod Suffin, you best get on that right now. Link is gonna be in the description as well to his site. Super cool guy, and you're definitely not gonna regret it. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe, most of all, because we're gonna hit 100,000 subs by the end of this year. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and I love you guys.